The bridge that waited. Early one morning, when the sunlight touched the river like gold, two strangers arrived at opposite ends of a small wooden bridge. On one side stood a boy who walked quickly, always in a hurry. His steps were fast, his thoughts even faster. He believed that reaching the destination was more important than noticing the journey. On the other side stood a girl who moved slowly. She paused often, listening to the river, watching the birds, and feeling the breeze on her face. She believed that every step had meaning. They both stopped at the bridge. The boy frowned. "If you walk so slowly," he said, "you'll never get anywhere." The girl smiled gently. "If you walk too fast," she replied, "you might miss everything." The river flowed quietly beneath them, as if waiting for them to understand something important. After a moment, the boy slowed his pace. The girl took one step forward. Together, they crossed the bridge side by side, matching each other's rhythm. By the time they reached the other end, neither felt rushed nor delayed. Instead, they felt calm, balanced, and understood. The bridge had not been an obstacle after all. It had been a teacher. Lesson of the story. Life is not about moving too fast or too slow. It is about finding balance. When we learn to respect different paces and perspectives, we grow wiser and kinder. Sometimes, the real progress happens when we slow down, listen, and walk together.